Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Message for our community in Birmingham. We need to, in this month of Ramadan, start cleaning up our roads. So I've purchased a clipper, as you can see, to pick up the rubbish. I'm gonna open this. I'm not gonna throw this on the road. Learn common sense, guys. Start throwing things in the bin and get clippers, get cleaning, start cleaning. The first thing our deen commands us to do is clean. So you see, look, any rubbish, pick it up and throw it in the bin. And soon, inshallah, we need to start cleaning our streets. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. As I mentioned yesterday, we need to pick up the rubbish. I'm in Sparkbrook, so this is Sparkbrook alleyway in Priestley Road, between Priestley Road and Main Street. All of this alleyway was filled with rubbish. People throwing iftar food. So there's people who've had their iftar, throwing chickens, throwing plates, throwing cups, throwing drinks, throwing alcohol bottles. Muslims who are throwing. Some of you may say, how do you know they're Muslims? We have cameras. We see people who do this on the cameras. So as you can see, we're cleaning away. We've bagged up if you come this way, we've bagged up. Now look, turn the camera that way. Rubbish in the alleyways. We're going to clean this up. And remember that we're cleaning this because it's our country. Those people who say it's not our country, they should go to another country. We're in England, we're in the UK, we live here. This is our country. We should clean this country, irrelevant to bin strikes. Who cares about the bin strikes, in the sense that whether we should clean up this country where we live, we should clean up, irrelevant to bin strikes. So then some people are asking, what shall we do once we gather the rubbish? Well, you should place it, at least have bin bags, place it in bin bags, double wrap it so the rats don't go for the bin bags, and then wrap it, book your places in the tips, and then go and throw it in tips, or wherever possible, book pickup vans, or there are means of throwing away the rubbish as well. So there's people fly tipping, people throwing all sorts of rubbish, as you can see there at the front. There's all bags over there. And this is not only in Sparkbrook or in this area, it's in other areas as well. It's our responsibility as Muslims. We should be cleaning up, like I said, get the pickers, get the bags, get the gloves, start cleaning, take responsibility. Remember, if we Muslims cleaned up by cleaning up the drugs from the streets and cleaning up rubbish, we will be the model citizens of this country. So this is the message for today, but we will carry on with this campaign for the sake of Allah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
See Shaykh yesterday make a video. Shaykh, salam. I seen your video yesterday and I just drove past. I thought I'd give you salam and just ask. Obviously I can see you doing the work yourself. You want to give us any words?
The least of Iman is removing harm from the street. So prior to the strikes, and by the way, I support the strikes, I support the rubbish men, but cleaning our areas is a priority before the strikes and after the strikes. Birmingham as a whole, we Muslims are responsible to keep this city clean. Unfortunately, we are one of the main reasons why this city has become unclean. We do not care. We become negligent. We let the rubbish just lie on the roads, and we litter. Just look at Stratford Road. I was cleaning up some of Stratford Road today. People think I've gone mad because I'm picking up litter, but they don't know that the minimum of Iman is removal of harm from the streets. So there's much more to be said. We found gas canisters here on the road as well while we've been iftari food. And yeah, so you get a van like this or a car. Every Pakistani household has 3 cars nowadays for some reason. Yeah, blocking up the roads. Go on Tisley Tip or book your slot, take all the rubbish and make the effort of taking the rubbish yourselves. Do not leave it to the next person. You know, this sloppy behavior of leave it to the next person, leave it to the next man. This all needs to stop.